baddest I done seen in a while. Oh my, you the baddest I done seen in a while. Oh my, shorty, oh. The one I was missing, the opposite of fiction. That's facts. Always forgiven. I don't care about it.
Hey beauties, welcome back to your girl channel. If you are new here, hey boo, my name is Khaliyah, but you can call me Kay. And here on my channel we talk all beauty things. I'm a hairstylist, so I'm here to give y'all the hair deets. So if you like what you're hearing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, girl, because it's lit over here. And if you're returning, hey boo, hey girl, how's you doing? But okay, y'all, so today we got our boo Selena. And y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, today this video is kind of just straightforward, but this is a new and updated method of the way I install my frontals, okay? So yeah, like I said, this is gonna be a new method. Y'all seen in my past videos, I would usually go ahead and cut the whole thing. Now guys, I do it in 3 sections, and I feel like this is better because while the glue is drying, I just feel like it's the perfect time to place the lace, you know, when it's fresh versus you trying to apply the lace all around. So also too, I am using a new glue, the Imaslayyobae glue, okay? I love her glue. I feel like her glue, it dries dry. If that makes any sense to you, like, I feel like some of us know what I mean by that. Like, some glues, like, they dry and sometimes they can feel sticky after a while. I feel like her glue, it stays dry for a good amount of time. So this is the glue I'm using. It's still kind of the same method that I was using in the past, but this time I am just doing it in 3 sections, and I'm going in with, you know, the middle section first, and then I go ahead and do the 2 sides. So like y'all saw, first I was just tracing out where I wanted to place, you know, the middle section. Then I went ahead and pushed back the wig, and now we finna go in with our layers, okay? So yes, I like to do about 3 to 4 layers. Most of the time I probably do 3. So yeah, I mean, basically, like, the new method is pretty much the same. It's just I just do it in 3 sections now. And yes, my girl, we was having like a great like conversation all that throughout the video, so y'all gonna see my boo was acting goofy out throughout the whole video. I love her, so yeah. And then here also too, I am showing y'all how I melt the lace in. So I love to use that comb, I love to use that rat tail, I love to use it to press in the lace. Like, you have to melt it. You can't just lay it down, you gotta melt the lace. So you will see here, after I went ahead and placed the lace down, there was some spots I wanted to get. And what I love to do is I love to squeeze the glue, like, you know, somewhere where I can easily just tap and go, tap and go. As y'all can see, you know, very self-explanatory. Basically, like I said, I'm literally just putting glue in any spots that are not laid, and then, you know, after those layers dry of those sections, I then go ahead and melt down those sections. So yes, that is that. Y'all will just, you know, see me do this middle section and move on to the sides. I'll be back soon, y'all.
You, I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now. Facts. The one I was missing, the opposite of fiction. That's facts. Always forgiven. I don't care about opinions. Facts. Facts. That's facts. The one I was missing. Just the beginning. It don't get
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So here I'm just showing y'all how I'm just making sure that that ear tap is down. If anything, y'all want to make sure that y'all put extra glue around the ear tap, because I feel like the ear tabs sometimes are like one of the first parts of the lace to lift. So, you know, as long as you put a little bit of extra glue, or you can even use, you know, adhesive tape, you know, to put around those ear tabs to, you know, really make sure it stays down as long as possible. And here y'all will see I'm just going in real lightly with the makeup. So when I go in and melt down the lace and I take it off, it's looking straight like scalp and none else. So yep, I'm going in with the elastic bands, and yeah. And so, yep, don't forget to push in that lace with the elastic band, y'all. I feel like this part is very essential and crucial. I mean, honestly, you know, the elastic band itself is doing what it need to do, but I just like to do this extra step because I just feel like it just melts it even more. So, as y'all can see by the pictures, a little intro video, all that, she wanted a middle part bob. Or honestly, I feel like we just came up with it at the appointment, and it just came out so cute. So yes, we decided to do a middle part bob, and here y'all will see I just went ahead and parted her middle part. Usually I do have to repart it, but I like to do this just, you know, get a fresh start of everything, just to get everything going in the flow. And, you know, if the part is really off-centered that bad, I mean, like I said, I'm going to go over it again. So what I do is pretty much with any part, if I'm doing, you know, a side part, anything like that, I'll always go ahead and part it off before, you know, I start either sewing the wig or styling it or anything like that. I like to go in with my Shears Bond Wax Stick, followed by the Sebastian spray. If you've been watching my videos, you already know them is my two fave products, and followed by the hot comb, just to get it real nice and flat. So I love to create that T part. I know y'all can't see here. I'm probably just going to show y'all much better in another video. But yeah, I just love to create that T part, especially when it comes down to my middle parts. And yeah, so here y'all will see I parted off in the back, and I went ahead and sewed down that section. And now we going in and flat ironing. A tip that I can give y'all when it comes to flat ironing, I was going to say, you know, make sure you have you a great flat iron, but I just feel like, you know, most of us just got them old school flat irons that just still get the job done. So honestly, you know, whatever flat iron that, you know, gets real high, I like 450 and above. Just make sure that the heat gets that high and you use a really good heat protectant. Like I said in my past videos, I love the Icy Fantasia heat protectant, and I just, you know, I just follow that back with the flat iron. Like y'all already know, all products are listed down below, but I just love my Babyliss, which is, I think that's how you pronounce it. I love the Babyliss flat irons because they are titanium plates. I feel like titanium plates are better than ceramic plates, if I said that right too. But so yeah, now we're taking off that elastic band, baby. Period. Giving straight scalp, none else. But okay, y'all, so here y'all will see this is what I meant by sometimes, you know, the part is not going to be straight because, you know, the elastic band anyway. So I had to fix it up, had to redo it a little bit, and I was looking a little clear. And don't worry, we finna get that part even crispier, but you gotta wait to the end though. Gotta wait to the end. But okay, y'all, so here I am going in and I am cleaning up that part with the tweezers. Yeah, I don't know, I just feel like you can tell when the part needs to be plucked. I mean, for the most part, I do pluck everybody's parts, but I just do feel like some wigs it's just not needed. But for her wig, it definitely needed to be plucked. So y'all see it looks so much better. And here I am starting off the edges, and y'all, I did do my edges differently than what I usually do them, and I love them, and she loved them too. So yeah, so y'all just watch me create these edges that I never done before. I really did like them. I don't know, they just, I don't know. It gave very much natural, it gave very much sleek, it gave very much what it needed to give. So yeah, like I said, y'all would just see me create these. Yeah, for the most part, when it comes down to the edges, I just like to really create, you know, either small C's or big C's. So like therefore right here by the ear tabs, I'm going to create a small C, and you know where, you know, she's so goofy, bro. But yeah, right over there, you know, right there where I'm cutting off, I'm obviously going to make a bigger C. And then I like to go in with my shears and just go in with a jagged cut. not, you know, straight bluntly. And then y'all already know by the ear tabs, cut down in a jagged cut. So y'all already know, if y'all been watching my past videos, y'all already know how I get down with the edges. You curl them up with the rat tail comb here to help you, or you know, use your fingers if you know the rat tail comb not doing its job. And then on the side, I like to curl the edges to the back for, you know, the sideburns. And yeah. And then here she was telling y'all about my elastic bands coming out real soon.
I love your elastic bands.
Thank you.
I think that's really why my things stayed on so long.
Why? Because you feel like they work?
Yeah, just a little bit, you know. No, be having it on there for like 2 weeks or whatever.
Okay, you
just nothing major. 2 weeks, you know. Yeah, I like how they really like secure it, and they're not uncomfortable. Like, you know how some elastic bands are really uncomfortable. Like the ones I just buy at like a hair store or something. Like I don't really like those ones, but yours, they give me a good feeling. Like I can leave that on overnight.
So yeah, y'all stay tuned for them. But okay, back into the video. So here we just molding. Y'all already know I love to mold down with that Meltdown gel. Shout out to my girl Jetta. Girl, if you watching, girl, thank you for putting me on to this gel, because I just love it. And I'm just so glad that they finally got them up here in the Midwest. So yeah, as y'all can see, yeah, I just went ahead and molded the roots and followed by the foam. And like I said, y'all, this was my first time trying to create these type of edges, so it kind of took me a minute to get the drift of it. But after a while, I got it, and it came out so cute. So yeah, y'all could just see and watch how I created this side, and we're going to move on to the rest of the styling.
Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now. Facts. You're the one I was missing. The opposite of fiction. That's facts. Oh, it's a given. I don't care about opinion. That's facts. Facts. That's facts. The one I was missing. Just the beginning. It don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look at me, 'cause I see forever. Ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When you're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now. Facts. Opposite of fiction, that's facts. Oh, it's a given. I don't care about opinion, that's facts. Facts. That's facts. The one I was missing.
Okay, so I pray y'all enjoyed that little short segment or whatever. And now it's time to get into the cutting. Ooh, that was fast. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyways, I just love to make sure that the client is sitting up straight. You know, make sure she is straight. Don't move, you know, not bending her head side to side, up and down, all that good stuff. And I just love to start my guide in the front now. So just make sure that you start the guide in the front, and just make sure that, you know, when you cut each side, make sure, you know, they are even, obviously, and you can just work your way to the back. After I did this, I then went ahead and started to cut the back after I made it my starting guides from the front. I did used to start in the back, but now I like to start, you know, my starting guide in the front, because now, as y'all can see, it's just easier for me to just go right along that traveling guide right there. So yeah, a lot of people do cut with shears and, you know, say it's better. Yes, it's better. Have I done it before? No. Why? Because look at this cut. Like, it was perfect with the shears. So yeah, y'all can definitely still get a bomb straight cut with just the shears and not have to use clippers. So yes, y'all will just see. For my bobs, I like to put in that slight bump. It's not too much. It literally gives, you know, what it needs to give. It gives the hair, you know, slight volume, period. It's bobbing, period. She funny. But yeah, so basically I'm just going like over the top layer of the hair as well to give it that, you know, to give it that nice little slight bump. So then, you know, when she does comb it or whatever, you know, it still has body and it's just not, you know, period. Like, it came out so cute. And sometimes, you know, if you do want to tie your edges down with the elastic band, it can sometimes move the edges a little bit, but it's no problem. It's no problem. And here, y'all, I think I lied. So I didn't get the black spray part. I apologize. So I promise y'all the black spray method with the part is coming very soon. It's I promise y'all it's coming very soon. But so yeah, y'all, we are literally just adding those final touches. I love to spray over top of the hair with the Sebastian spray, followed by the Icy Fantasia, because I feel like the Sebastian spray, it for one holds the black spray down, and it just holds like the top of the hair in place. And then I feel like the Icy Fantasia spray gives the hair and the edges itself some shine. So yeah, y'all, if you made it this far, girl, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next week's new video, and yeah, love y'all. And oh yeah, hit that subscribe button for y'all girl right now. Thank you.
Always forgiven. I don't care about opinions. Facts.